Hey guys, today I'll be cleaning my room, and as you can see, there's like a lot of clothes and I need to get them up, so let's go.
Strawberry or blackcurrant?
Strawberry, because these are my favorites.
I hear you.
Just normal jelly. It was good at first, but when you eat it, like it's kind of good. Also, I was in town and my brother burned the peanut. So now I just have one peanut in my basement, which is very nice. And I wanted to get the butter squishies. If you get them, that is not the video.